All right, it looks like we are good to go. Let's get this stream started today. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get this music started. All right, so we're looking at Daniel Gibalt. Congratulations, you just won $10 of Bitcoin. Remember, guys, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is leave your Bitcoin address in the comments. Please like and subscribe to be part of this giveaway every single week. Crypto portfolio. Oh, look, it moved. Boom. Okay, that was weird. Well, hello, good to see you guys. All right, so looking at the portfolio, not too much has changed once again. I'm paying other bills, so a little bit less is going into crypto right now. Very happy that I have holdings in USD coin at the moment because of the way the market's going. Not too much has changed. I do have more Crow. I still need to change that. It's my fault. And we're still making about 11 per day even with the drops, which is pretty cool. And the split of where everything is being held is just about the same. Well, on to normal news today. We're going to be looking at some various aspects of this market, and let's get started with that. All right, so essentially, guys, we've had a massive whale sell-off that's going on right now. There are a lot of random things that could have happened. I believe there was a Korean exchange that was seized, one or two of them. There are the dollar strengthening, I believe. That's another thing going on. Other than that, there isn't too much other than just the whales decided at this moment to sell. There apparently was a Chicago Mercantile Exchange futures gap. And when there's a futures gap, often what it is, it's the super rich hedging their Bitcoin bet by trying to lower the price down so they can get a futures profit as well. And then the price will kind of go back up afterwards. So the unfortunate thing about that is if the new money dictates where the futures price is, then it will always do that. But the really significant thing about that, though, is that just look at this chart, for example. So this was the big drop the other day, and I was kind of wiggling after that. Our current low is over 10,000, and even if they push it into the 9,000 range, like that's pretty significant. It used to be that our low would have been like 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So this is just really, really, really good to see. And you know, as I've said before, when there's blood in the streets, that's when you buy. So for me, this is a very good dollar cost averaging opportunity. So you know, payday comes up and just put a couple bucks in. It's really good. This is the only real way to fight the whales, by the way. It's to hold. When you hold and you buy a little bit more instead of reacting to what they do, you take more land in the land grab. Because what they're trying to do is provide fear for the market, give FUD, so that they can shake people off at either end. So like, they'll raise the price, people will FOMO in, and then they sell it, and then people go, oh no, you know, people buy in when it's happy and sell when it's low. So they're buying high and selling low. So again, the main way to deal with that is just a dollar cost average in, which is what I do. I'm going to be dollar cost averaging in. And it can be low amounts. It can be as little as like $5 per check or something like that. So that's just what I do. We're still overall in an uptrend. So like, I'll just zoom out here real quick. So even like before we hit this new high, it's still going up. So this is about what? July 20th? September 20th? Oh, excuse me. That's July 20. The 24th of July to the 8th of September, we're still going up. That's about a month and change, right? If you keep going, this is April, still going up. Shoot, even from before the dip in March, we're still going up. So the trend is still up, you know. And for them to get rid of that trend, they'd have to get rid of their positions, which they're trying to get more. So ultimately, they're going to run into several types of holders. Excuse me, sneeze. Oh, I guess not. Well, me. There we go. All right. So you have the new money, right? You have the people who just got in. So all of these low positions are big money coming in, not retail. And when you hit positions below, say, 8,000, 5,000, and some of this is opinion, some of this is fact. So the lower you go in the price, you get into the old school Bitcoin holders more and more and more. All of these people are from the hold on for dear life segment of the community. So it can only get so low. That's one reason why people who buy Bitcoin have so much confidence. You have people like me and people who've been around since at least 2017 or much earlier, and they're just going to hold. It's not a big deal. The only thing we got to worry about is the amount of transactions Bitcoin can do. And on that note, Ethereum is still lagging behind and pushing back their dates. And as long as they do that, that's just a big carrot and a stick, which is why I don't like buying Ethereum. But it is what it is. Yeah, everything pretty much follows Bitcoin. That kind of puts a lot of coins in their place, including second place Ethereum. You know, Bitcoin went down and they lost over $100 worth of value in that coin in like a day. For the people holding, you know, the amount needed to stake, that's a lot. So, other than that, there isn't too much to report right now. It's just the market going through a local low, a pretty high local low. Speaking of, see the coins that I own, Litecoin, still about 48, higher than it was. Crypto.com coin down a little bit, about where it was when I upgraded to my card. EOS doing all right. Yeah, no, everything's going pretty good. I'm just not too worried about the market right now. We'll see what the whales decide to do. They might be out of steam right now, the bears. I mean, anything can happen. No one has a crystal ball. We'll see what happens. Again, we're up a little bit. Oh, we just ticked up to 0.1%. That's cool. And yeah, no, everything's looking pretty good here. So y'all have a wonderful week. Be safe. I'm a little bit earlier today because I have to work. Still a little bit hungover today, so we'll make it work. Anyway, guys, see you next time. Bye-bye.